Yeah, health and safety management has perhaps got a little bit of a stigma of not being a particularly sexy sort of a role, but that is changing. I mean, it's becoming more and more professional by the year, more and more highly respected by the year. I did several years in environmental and safety management in New Zealand, and then I decided I wanted to do a backpacking holiday. Ideally, I got myself a 6-month contract doing some health and safety management. Right place, right time, more opportunities came up, and some 5 years later, 2 kids in a house. It's we're pretty settled now. We enjoy living here. If you'd asked me if I ever thought that we would end up living here and settling here, I would have said, unlikely or highly unlikely when we're on the plane flying over here. It's just worked out like that. There's stuff all traffic in New Zealand. It's a pretty nice slow pace of life. So those are some things that I do miss. But when you're in New Zealand, you're in New Zealand. You can't just get on a plane or a train and go over to Paris. So there's pros and cons to both places, definitely. That was a big change for me. I've worked in the food industry. I've worked in the chemical industry. I'm now working in the logistics industry. I do like to be exposed to new things. So I didn't go looking for the same sort of industries. I don't have too many regrets. I've been happy with all the jobs that I've had. I've been happy with how I performed in all of my jobs. I am, reasonably happy with how things have panned out.